Tayari westira karitu murundo gundi ntukutangira umushongezi kwatirine nebyakaruru sibireje urireje webare mirimo yawe wakize mukona ibwasheshera yiwari kutebekanisa kugenda ntwendeze birungi na niwarire nakora kaba barukora night shift yo kashange shanke jo kiriyo mukohumuireho ntwendeze birungi omucyaro muteki arukutekera baryamirimo ni wa hotel webare mirimo yawe yone yorukora buri muntu omistini sache Tayari Westin tukutwara mu nshonga ez'ibyakaruru ndi Ajuna Pleasure akashesha kantu ija ku bantu gumiza mu kutera touch ahanshonga ezikwatiri nebyo bururu na no kw'abanyuganda betebekanisize akaruru akarukwija kuterwa izoba nkeri eriyo rwakana esabiti erikwija ebiro 15 ebyo kweze okwo kubanza omwaka 2026 ebyinji biliyoni bibaho mu ihanga okwetorera district stars zimwe na zimwe abantu bine miringo yabe yo mutano ibetebekanisize mwaka ruraka kandi ejo n'eyindi nyingi niyo turi kugenda omeshono ku bantu tera mtochi tukakumanyisa ebintu ebyo okabasa kubyerebera butunu aha television yawe eya Tayari West izobiri abesimbira ntebe yo bwa president nibagumiza mu kushero bururu kandi nibamanya ngo hati basigaza yebiro ebiri kubarirwa hangaro ahakiganja okubasa kusherura obururu ombicweka ebindi ebyihanga okubasa kushoroza obushagici obw'abantu barabahereze ahakirecho kandi omuryabo arimo president Yoweri Museveni w'ekibine kya NRM ogu Elizoba yashemerire kuba nahumuraho okurugirwa ntebe kanisa yakachiko k'ebyobururu eya Electoral Commission konka yabasa kweyongerayo okuzo mu district ezindi nebicweke bindi ebyabira tashabire mu karuru abwa obwire kufunda hamwe na okushangangwa kachi nebicweka byinji ebyabira inekorao izobiri yagarukayo mu district eyalira hamwe na kore ariyo nashaba akaruru kandi ngo kutwire ntukora buri kimwe kukiragendeje tuje ku bantu kutwara y'ibintu ebyo obyerebere then nyenchakare natekatekwa kugarukaho mu district ya Kasese ahiyabe yarugire okwezo kwiro ku 12 kandi naho obo arukusherura akaruru omwe district ejo ya Kasese kuno omu Western Uganda entebe kanisa yona ya president Yoweri Museveni nabanda besimbira ntebezo kwa president tugendo mission okubantu zukuratera okurebeka ngo twagendo mission no kuba ntuzukwisyaho abandi abesimbire nabo ntija ku bantu bakumanyisa kandi eshaheji leka tubase kuba nituhumuraho kace tuyeho burango buke kuturaruje omubwa adverts obu tubase kuba ntugaruka tukutwareho omubandi abesimbire nabo ahibari twina byinje byo kwisyaho omukaruru echo inekora gumanitwe aha Tayari West
yabare nonga iworo kutureba Tayari West television yabare kutwegetaho butosha hamwe no guma no kuratirira program zite zikwegesa ziri kushomesa izo kumanyisa nanguna neziri kushemeza mwene nkoko kukimanya nguturiyo ntwirira hihi no kutera karuru akomuyembezi wihanga hamwe na nabanyishengero akaraterwe 2015 byo kwezoku ubwati turiyo nutukuratirira enshongezi okwenda kwetegereza enshonga ze byakaruru nko kuzemerire hano yo mu district ya Kakumiro ntwenda kubantu ganira na n'urukurure byo kuteza karuru mu district eji atushoborere nk'abantu bakakumiro betebekanise bata okika izoberi ryo kutera karuru kandi bakakateraje kakaba free and fair nkoku enkora ya Electoral Commission eri mweni nyondo Onesmus turyabwe reka tuganiremo hamwe na no mukuru Honest Baguma ahanshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe zikwatagine na no kutera karuru na nenshonga zebyo bururu mu district eji eya Kakumiro Honest Baguma nakwakira ramusi wa murebe wa Tayari West TV omurungi rero kandi tugumize mune kiganireki
webare mnonga Onesmus kuko wajizire ninye Honest Baguma kandi ninye nkora nka returning officer wa Kakumiro district mu bintu byo kuteza karuru mu ihangere ya Uganda yetu so nkoko wajizire erizoba nebiro twasigaza yebiro mwenda kwikabiro 2015 obuturabe ntuteza akarura ka president akarura ka ba members of parliament mu constituencies zone ziri mu Kakumiro kandi in terms of preparations Kakumiro ine constituencies ishatu kandi yagira na of course na woman MP so Kakumiro ntuza kubana tuleta ba MPs bana and nka Electoral Commission itwe turi ready kandi turi ready tumwe tumazire myaka ntweteka tekera 2015 materials zo kozesa apart from the ballot box ya black kuza kwije biro bibiri towards 15th ebyasigara byona tubyine biri mu store. Abantu abakuza kuteza kakaruru tubine turimo kuba training ezeshaha. Ni training ngira amagombora ebiri 10 na 11 tuza kuba turi amagombora aga kakomero gona. Mu kakomero twine amagombora 28 na town councils tuzitiremo. So nituza kuba traininga polling day neza kutambureta obururu baza kubuteza bata ne baza ku verifyinga bata akoma ka BVVK akakoma ku turugire kureta ninga kugaruza busya more updated tukakozesa koma bitu buri round of election akakoma nikagujena nikeyongera functions. So nituza kuba nitukozesa akakoma ku verifyinga abatezi bakaruru umutezi yakaruru yija polling station indeed no mutezi wakaruru kandi kwija kuba umutezi wakaruru ni kubyo mu Uganda ine myaka 18 kandi uri mu register. So ebe byona no kugira ngo tufune tukwataka aka ballot paper ninga kakonje kamwe tukahereza omuntu omwe kandi buri mutezi wakaruru ine kutera omuntu omwe ahantebe zona, meaning ballot paper emwe ya president tukwase na ballot paper emwe ya woman MP wa district hamwe na area MP wo mogo mwanya akakoma kabivivike nikaza kutuyamba munongo mukutereza enshonga zone zitubentuhura inkeza abantu kumanya abantu especially ngo guni wo mutezi wakaruru ninga ni wo mutezi wakaruru kanda hejo polling station. Eyo training yona turimo kujikora tukeje sabantu bitaba kuza kubana bateza kakaruru. Indeed tuchaye tebekanisa habo kuba na radio turuho na TV tayari West nitubasima habo kuba mutuhira opportunity yo kushomesa abantu bitu abo mukakumiro na nihanga ryona nitukora voter education kumanyisa abantu eco kubanza no Burundi babutera ryari kandi nibabutera bata.
You mean arabata kumanyiza bari yo kutera karuru
nikibasika abantu basa kushemererwa munonga bazomuka eza shaturiye mu campaign period umuntu ashemererwa munonga ayebwe uruna kuro kutera karuru. So za TV na omutwinemo za radio na za TV hati nka tayari West ne batuyamba ntubaha message batuyamba kwegesa abantu bitu ni twenyene nkabakozi bakaciko buri muruka twineho omukozi witu na buri sub county twineho omukozi witu ababona ni babari mu bantu bakubegesa no akaruru no katerota kandi no zakatera ryari no babegesa kutera bitu tubakubegesa kutera. So eco kutera nico mulonzi wakaruru then nko kubara akatere nico tukubegesa na materials zona ezikwetagisa commission ekazigura yazituhereza nito twa supply nko mu bantu nitukoragana na bachairman kugira ngo message twagitambuza kwikacaro kandi ojuke polling stations zite nyingi ziri yacaro. So ejo new kind of preparation aba security aba district security team nayo area on board nitugira meetings nko kuturatambuze bintu materials zitu nibo bakuzisecuringa bakazitwara polling stations kandi bakazigara police ekwatagene nababyo kwerinda abandi so that to making sure ngo kakaruru results za ruga polling station zampika ha district center ziri safe and secure kandi niko turanjire ebe byarugo mu karuru rako.
Okay, ahanshongejo ya security mu district ya Kakumiro twinemu emyanya y'iturukumanya ngweji nekera kuba mu emivuyo. This time around imwaba electoral commission mwetebekanise muta okureba ngo kandi emyanya ejo this time taba memivuyo nkeyitubere ntukera kureba mu bwire bwo bururu.
Emyanya nkejo indeed nekera kuba mu abo kuba omu district age hine myanya kuzira kukire ndijo kandi hine myanya kuba inabantu bingi kukira abandi. So eco kubanza nka electoral commission tukagenda to reducing number z'abantu ha polling station. So omukakumiro polling station n'abantu bingi munonga neza kubeye n'abantu bita rukaga hata kurenza rukaga ojuka tukagicendeza twajihari roenda na rukumi twajigarari rukaga eco nikiyamba abari ya polling station ejo kumanagingeze namba ezi kubazireho nyingi eco nikimwe. Eca kabiri ezi polling stations ezitukumanya nizwasa kurugaho akavuyo tuzi earmarkingire ninga twazi ha special attention in terms of security and in terms of extra supervision and monitoring, so that to making sure ninga twarebeka akaruru katerwa kandi katerwa je hatariho kavuyo niko abantu ba deciding ninga batero muntu oba kuba nibenda.
Then ahanshonga ya BVVK machines, yes. Last elections ahamwe tukareba bwo mu butwa babire n'ubukoresebwa umwe bukatungamo obuzibazibu bwa letero mu exercise zo kudrayinga kutandika kandi cha affectinga umwe n'ababire nibatera karuru ahabwe shonga zo bwira exercise shemeyo kubanehenderera mwe no murundogu chemerire kita mu ineho agane magezi in case of challenges nkaziriye zabiremo
no manya buri exercise nitwega nchire kitwayegamo. Indeed mu exercise yahuire hino bomo bwabire nibukora mpora kandi no bundi batteries za chendero bwa chendero muro bitu nabo bukakora. So buri polling station no mukakumiro neza kubeye no bwoma bubiri hati neza kubeye no bwoma bubiri in case kamwe kafuna challenge yo nanke bya technology nkoko tukubimanya hakoma ka standby aha buri polling station bitu naha constituency level twine hobomo bundo buri standby bukayamba hari buri polling station echo nicho cha in case akoma kaye changamu already twine bundi standby kumakinga sure ngo process yagumizamo. Echa kabiri echa battery obo bwoma buyijire na battery eyo munda ekubasa kumara hours 10 hours ninge shahi 10 kakukora. So akakoma konka nikije na battery na man go kumara shahi 10 kakukora bitu naboneze shahi 10 ziruho kijiraho na power bank still on standby ekubasa kumara over 12 hours ekukora. So ekintu cha maybe amashinyazi oboma kuchendero muro ninga akoma kwechanga already to in a standby over standby kandi na power banks in case were reducing nazo ziriho kucharging oboma nuko tukagumizamo na process.
Okay, then nshonge ndijo abaru kubukoresa, yes. Batungire training erukumara because hati ekindi yo nimburize echo na nababire no bakora sensors ukoza kurohora mu network yaye cyanga mu byaye cyanga kumbe bundo shanga oguriyo nakakoresa ubundi hine step yari yo na missingam.
No issue yabakoze bakuza koza oboma tukatandika kutraining abantu kare already weeks birenyima tukafuna training yaba bantu abakuza kukozesa echo kubanza tukabahandika twabachenjura mu bantu bitaba twihama abantu abari capable twaba training for 2 days aha district hati nebiro munana na mwenda nituzagaruka mutu ba training again kubijusya biriye byenyeme biba ebitu abashomise. So issue ya training na amwe naba bakozi echo kubanza tukihama abakozi one abakuchenga munonge ibintu bya technology nkokwe kutambara nekindi twabahereza training ekumara kandi nati tuchaba training kumakinga sure ngo akoma bakakwata kakora kateriza issues zo koronda omukakumiro no muihangari yona basically.
Okay, twaza hanshonga ya kushomesa abantu kwetegereza ebiri kukwata aha karoro, bariyo ba responding abata abantu echo kubanza nisima abantu bakakumiro at least nyine direct feedback abantu nibenda kumanya bine mbwenu one twabahereza information nibakwa attention kandi umuntu yakwa attention nikimanyisa nayenda kandi nakunda kumanya. So abantu twazo mu field tukabashomesa echo kubanza bari ready akoma baka receive injire bajangwa akakoma niko kuza kutuyambe mevuyo yona abo kuba umuntu arije ni wogo arije tokatera muntu ndijo ndati echo nicho kubanza ekiri akakoma tokatera muntu ndijo nituza kuba nituscanninga akakonje tukutandika kuteza karuru tugaruke tukascanninge tukuza kukabara tugaruke tukascanninge DR form declaration form etaki 0 wanje kuno so that a polling station has got a whole record so that ebintu bitahindukira muhanda in case chabaho
nitugaruka koma nituchecking aneche chabechere ya polling station bita abantu bo one bashemerirwe kandi message yitu nibajirecevinga abo kuba no bombe ndi ama radio gitu nube no hura abantu nibatera amasimu mingi bakwenda kumanya cyo kubanza kandi bakutusima ngumwe bare kutereza ibintu byo kuteza karuro mu ihanga rito kandi nakakomerera mwomo.
Okay, bo tutekereze no bamanya aho kuterera karuru
polling stations ni bazimanya hati nkakakumiro yitomu twine polling stations 806 mu magombora 28. So ababantu ninja sub county kuchira yo kugira polling station ni nyingi ni ine polling stations 26 and ni jeta chibijo. So bita abantu buni bamanya ho kutera na polling stations ensia ezitwatiremo nazo ne bazimanya habo kuba as lists za polling stations tukazisaculatinga twazita magombora kandi naba candidates nabo to abaha copy. So tine candidate tinkuhamya muri kakomeno tuza kufura mu candidate akugira ngo tinkumanya polling station aheri ninga tinkumanya twine polling stations zingahe mu constituency ningo mu sub county yeye. So aho kutera karuni bahamanya bitu nabo batakuhamanya ninga batakazimanyire nibabasa kumpicira nkaretani ngofisa ejo information nkajibaha
dokushomesa nukukigumiza
until twatera karure 2015 ebirabire na 2 ebiro binna akaruru kataka huyire ntugumani twegesa abantu kandi ntushomesa abantu until omuntu ya ikechechiro akatera karuru kandi akakora ki aka receiving results zeye tukazimuha tukamurangira kandi ninyenda kuhamisa ninga kumanyisa abantu bakakumiro ngo results nko kuziraruga polling station nuko turazirangira ha district tally center tine kuza kuhinduka kwaho kandi bakimanye ba candidates bakimanye n'abantu bitu bakakumiro eco bakimanye.
Okay, tuganira mivuye rukira kubo mutare center exercise uko mu polling stations yahwa bitubwanyuma imivuyo kandi yabaruka tare center mbwiro bo kurangirira.
Yes.
What should we expect rero hati mbwiro?
No, eco kubanza activity is a national activity. Ninyenda abantu bakimanye na ba candidates na ba stakeholders bito mu kakumiro bakimanye ni national activity. National activity neza kutuhereza president etuhereze na ba MPs omuyihanga lyona. So eco kubanza district tally center is going to be secured by security. Police is going to be on is going to be managing the process kandi nabandi nabo nabaza kuba baruho baku ensuringa ngo hariho security ninga hariho biteka. So that eco nico cyo kubanza. Echa kabiri nituza ku accreditinga asheme kuba ari mu tally center. Wo tine taga ningo tine accreditation otija tally center abo kwa nituza kubinga. Eco niyenda bakimanye. So tutwire ni to receiving applications kurugo mu media kurugo mu ba polling ba candidates omuntu atine accreditation takuza ku accessing tally center. Eco nichituyamba kumanya no hari mu tally center. Then ekindi of course ine namba niza kuchendera tally center. At least candidate naza kuyijana agent habo kuba twine ba candidates bingi. So washara mubona kubareta tally center kuleta nka maybe 5 agents no shanga tally center yona yijura. So enamba neza kubera inche eco mukimanye omuntu ari tally center naza kuba accredited aine tage kumwikiriza kuba tally center. Nekintu kindi security is going to be at the tally center both in uniform and in layer. Okay. So that process yitu na results zibe secured kumakinga sure ngwe ebyo bururu ninga ebyo kurangira byatamburaje nkoko bishemere kutambura.
Okay, aizo bari yo kutera karuru omutezi wa karuru ni mumwetagisibwa muki
orunakuro kutera karure 2015 nebinde bikuzo mu misho nkoko twabirangire. Eco kubanza oyimuke ochere oyetebekanise nkaburijo nkakuza kukora otayebwa akakonje kuba kweta voter locator slip already babwine turent to supplyinga buri wotaka katungire hichirira hichirira wo muruka aha parish level ohichire na chairman wecharo omubuze abo buntu burinkahe naza kwereka aho muruka bakubugabira. So oyiheyo oije na voter locator slip akaka konji oije nendanga muntu wojine ebyo bintu nibiza kutuyamba kumanya ngogu n'omutezi wa Karuru bitu nabo yatabyine ebyo bibiri still nabo yetebekanise aije obari yije ebyo byona yatabyine nituza kucheckinga mu register wori mu register ningo rukarara rw'abaronzi noza kutera Karuru bitu mugende muihe yakaka konji niyo voter locator slip wo inendanga muntu ije nayo wotajine oronde voter locator slip ebyo byona bibiri byakubura oije o making sure to checking mu National Voters Register worimu nituza kuhereza obukonji notera Karuru notera omuntu wo kwenda.
Okay, enshonga ya za register ziri safe zita kuba ati nko bururo burigiremo babiro no hora abantu ngo ayi nashanga ntari mu register ngarangana chairman na mantu yiro mu cyare kikonka tindemo register ati ziri safe zita korango tajiro wazikwata
no manyanka kachiko tujenzere ntoyetebekanisa ku rugenyema tukatandikana update of the National Voters Register uko mu kwa kashatu after that twazo mu stage ndijo twazo mu display ebi twakozero mu update twakora transfer twahandika abantu basya then twazo mu display of the National Voters Register ni Rororo Karara obu twarugiromwe twarutereza twaruhanika polling stations abantu baye checkinga ababire barho baye checkinga no manye ntuchira kweta abantu abamwe bija abandi nibaremwa kwija aba reasons ezindi so age register tujine kandi it is accessible buri candidate wena nabasa kushaba afune age register iri safe age register neza kwijiro mu black box orunakuro kutera Karuru nico kimwe abinte bikuza kwijiro mu black box erimo mu ndomwe eyijiremo eri safe eri secured abakozi bitu nibamanye cyo kugikozesa nko baragikozese bakucheckinga bakakushangamo notera Karuru wo tarimo nobo tarimo kandi wo tarimo oyikirize toro mukandi tokuza kutera Karuru batakucheckinga bakakugira ngo torimo kandi oka insistinga ngo ine kutera Karuru habo kuba echo tikiri cyo buyenganiza omuntu ari mu register ni waratera Karuru yatarimo kandi takuza kutera Karuru.
Road bet kandi bire nekitambura nekigendo misho mu ihanga yija kera kare tera Karuru wamara kutera Karuru rokotahe bindirire birari byo mu Karuru bakubirangirira abama bamwe besimbire nibagera ngunga tera Karuru sigaraho kuma Karuru kwisya ahikaraterero kakumiro cyemerire kita twantu horogamba ku rugo muriwe urukure byo kuteza Karuru
no itwe nkakakumiro nko kugenze ntumanyisa abantu bitu no manya n'ikirungi kumanya ece kintu kikatandikirahe nko kutugenteza Karuru nka commission tugenzere ni tu studyinga twachondoza twamanya ngo akavuya polling station karetwa ki kano hurang police station haza hakavuyo ne karetwa ki twashanga inshonga ngo abantu baba binji munonga ha polling station especially baba herize kutera Karuru bakerunda na bakaba binji ha polling station chances ni nyinji munonga ngo kintu nikitabura abantu kandi akavuyo kabaho ojuke waheza kutera Karuru okemerera tine kinde cyo kuba nokora apart from kugamba obwiro bwine watera Karuru shayi 3 mwene kuruga shayi 3 kupaka shayi 11 oriaho mwena bojo nabakazi bona nibazo mu binte bindi abo mwene batandika no kurya no kunywa no kushemererwa so omuri ebyo oshanga ngo haba hakantu kace nikatabura abantu kandi katabura abantu abari hihi na polling station oshanga kakavuyo kataho mu polling station katabangure mbera ya polling station so nka commission twa sharamu twa advising chairman ya advising yagira ngo abantu barahize kutera Karuru already polling station mugerekere echo kubanza ba agents ba candidates abo kuba candidate nabari represented bagerekere security abo kuba security ba police niyeshemere kusecuringa polling station so what inire ngo tero security no police eruho agent wa candidate aruho nabakozi bakachiko baruho aba bantu bona emyaka kutandika na 96 obu commission ejo etandika kora emirimo yayo batwire ne batwesiga kukora ogo murimo kandi nitushaba bagutusigire baguturekere tuteza akakaruru in peace turangire birarugemu nka candidate kandi ayikirize ebirarugomo mwaka karuru habokuba nabayineho agent kandi na security nayo neberuho so hatiwo kugumaho uka embera nkejo abantu bakijura bakagamba byinji bakateganisa abakuteza karuru eyo niyo nshonga eyitwarebere mutwashanga ngunekera kutabangura ki polling station kandi kakozinga haba hakavuya polling station abantu bijurana bakaba binji. It is a factor for risk to cause violence, then elections bikaba disorganized. So abantu baraheze batwikirize batera karuru kabo ntuzakabara kandi tukabareje bakarangire byarugama polling station bansindikire results nkoko zirarugama polling station nanye nembahamya ninga nembaha confidence niko ndarangira ha tali center.
Okay, turiyo ntwirira kumaririze kiganire eki abantu bo bariyo nibakira batejo message ya tera karuru umarota aho rindirire birarigemo.
Indeed, of course, feedback erinti harimo debate haraba kwenda kugumaho haraba abatakwenda kugumaho bitu advise yitu nka commission tubagira ngu umurahize kutera akakaruru muturekero umurimo gwitu tugukore kandi ntuza gukora je turangire ebikire nko kuture ntukora.
Okay, anshonga ya twamara kutera karuru. Yes. Hata karuru turiyo ntuzakiya polling station kukatwara ahatare center. Obumwe abantu abamwe babino kwerarikira mwe bintu nibibasa kuhindukira hagati. Cyemerire kiti.
No echo kubanza nikizaguma munonge kintu kuhindukira hagati. Oyijuke BVVK machine je yituresire. Processes zeyongiremo. Twaheza presiding officer heza kwijuza declaration of results form DR form naza kugitere kishani eche kishani kisigaro mu machine eche kishani cyasigaro mu machine nikiza kuba transmitted to the tally center
okifune before batakarese results
kigume momu nikituhika actually wotaka kozereki wotaka rugera polling station. So results in any case which I don't expect ninga think kwamyangu nikibasa kubaho ngo hine cyahindukamu nitugaruka hacishani omu machine aha polling station ekishane kibatera cyane kishachi. That is number 1. Echo kubanza is results ninshababa agents ba candidates bataruga polling station is results batakazisiringiro mu tamper proof envelopes. Twine envelopes zite ziri special ezitukuza kuba ntukozesa kutambuza results says kandi ninshababa agents bagume a polling station as results bazisiringe omu ejo envelope eri very special in a way ngubageza aho kugitagura ne hindura nko kwekurebeka. Yes. It is another security feature. So of course yije hindukire nyonka returning officer ninza kumanya aho hine cyabaho. So izo results ntubanza twazitarubaje. So but echo nacho kiri aho results nibaza kuzescotinga with security. Twina abantu babira polling station abakuza kuba bamaninga security. Police kaba recruitinga baruho nibaza kuzireta hagombora niyo collection point zirugagombora zikwija aha district tally center.
Kigambe cya muheru tumaririze kiganire iki.
Yes, niwe cya muheru ni nshababa nyakakumiro bijo mu bwinji 215 baza polling station batera karuru batera umuntu bakwenda baheza bazo mirimo yabe ya burijo ugo murimo go kukabara polling station tukarangira abasinga ugo no murimo gw'akaciko kandi ebintu nko kubera ruga polling station nko kuza kubirangira ha district tally center. So batwesige kandi ntushimanya nko kutwire ntukora nabo nibaza kutwesiga at least ejo confidence njinemu kandi inka electoral commission emirimo yitu nitujikoro mu mateka so nekintu cyone kirabeho nituza kukikora nkamateka gihanga ngo gakora ngo gagamba.
Okay, by the way tuwagamba challenges ni mumine challenges mu kufacinga tuzirabe munazo kandi mutiromeje aziki basi tuheze.
No, of course challenges zo mirimo yitekaburamu habo kuba hariho ba candidates abakwanga kuyikirize byarugo mu Karuru. No mugambira ngo aha bakusinga ogira tibansinga. So oshanga hazamo go mugugwa go kusikagana. So ba candidates abamwe tiba kucikiriza mbuye ngo echarugo mu Karuru tucecho. Jo ni challenge tugize ntufuna. Of course na challenges ezindi no kujangwa abantu bitu mu exercise nibakira kwijaleti oyijuke ntandika shahe mwezo mukasheshe bitu bo bija shaha 8 shaha 9 babanza kuzo mu kuhinga bakuzankahe. So uko kwijaleti ni kuteganisa kuri nibija kare bayisha mukaga tukamanya ngo abinji batira Karuru. So immediately tukatandika kubara shayi 10 then niko results zikatuyika kare bita abantu bija late nikiteganisa kandi nitu ni making a process yabandingwa kayeti kitakwetagisa kandi cyo kintu ninshaba abantu bitu baceyihemu bije kare 2015 neza kuba oruna ku public holiday tare kintu cyone kikuza kuba nikikorebwa apart from kutera Karuru. So oyije utera Karuru ugaruke yo mirimo yawe.
Yebare Munonga iworo kutureba hano ya Tayari West Television oryo muhendo Munonga kandi Oguno Honest Baguma niwe returning officer wa Kakumiro district enshonga zebyo bururu zona ziryo mu mikono ye yagira ngo tumwesige Akaruru kaza kuba ko buringaniza buryo mu wena ayine kushemerwa mbwenu sigara ni hano ya Tayari West TV oyongero gumano tureba no kuraterana program zito butosha nebiganire bindi nkebi nibyijaguma nibyija program zezi kushomesa ziri kushemeza neziri kumanyisa nazo ziri Nyondo Onesmus studio habwe reka kwendeza kubaho kurungi webare mutayi witogwe okwo kutusyaho ebiri kugenda omaisho mu Karuru omucwekecho kandi nkoku wahura arikubyeshoborera mukuru wakachiko k'eby'obururu mu district ejo nokwebiri biliyoni bigendo omaisho ombicweke bindi byone ebyo tweraganise okubantu kutwarayo obwo turukusyaho enshozi embera y'eby'obururu okweriyo negendo omaisho omwihanga tutakajireho omukahumuro kache niryenda ngo mbase kuba ninkushoborera ngo abesimbira ntebe yo bwa president bariyo bagendo meshona no kubana basherura Akaruru ombicweka ebitari bimwe na bimwe kandi niryenda ngo nkurabire mu bwangu no base kuba no manya buri ayisimbire ahariyo nasherura Akaruru izoberi president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ko kunana kushoborera turukutandika ari mu district eyakole hamwe na Lira kandi Robert Kasibante ari Rubaga hamwe na Kampala Central ondijo ni Robert Chagulanyi w'ekibina ekya National Unity Platform ogwerizo bayasibo mu district ya Nepak na Shaba Karuru kandi we Mugisha Muntu w'ekibina ekya Alliance for National Transformation ari mu district ya Hoima City hamwe na Hoima NDJ ya district kandi na Ndara Mafabi w'ekibina ekya Forum for Democratic Change ogwo ari mu district ya Soroti. Mubaraka Munyagwa wa Common Man's Party ali Iganga Jinja hamwe na Jinja City kandi Frank Bulira yahumuraho Elton Mabirizi almachindie reka tuze homburango buce nitugaruko kwisi ibindi ebyo bururu otaruga Tayari West.
Abanyantungamo Rubare, Kamwezi, Rushoka, Muhanga, Itojo, Rwampara, Rukiga, Rwashamire, Miramahiri, Changara, Chamate, nebyanga byone bibetorwire. Pastor Robert Kayanja owa Miracle Center Cathedral Rubaga ariyo nejo mu crusade yenjiri omurintungamo okurugo rwa mukaga 2010 okusya Sunday 2011 ebyo ko kubanza 2026 aho ahari Rubare playground okuruga shamushanje zihangwe okusya sha ibirize kiro kandi tugireho na Believers Fire Conference urwa mukaga 2010 ebyo kokubanza 2026 ahari Rubare Market Grounds okuruga shahi ibiri z'akasheshe okusesha mushanju zihangwe nahabweco mureta abarwire empumi ebiteta embohe hamwe n'abo bona abari kwitagurwa stani mukamanaiza kubakiza bona kandi ijuka ngo mukamanyine cyo kutangaza cyawe ecyandikirweho izina ryawe.
You see, we share the same connection and my internet works well, and that's my Canal Box with fiber. One single subscription and I share without limits, Papa. It costs me less and my whole family benefits from it.
Oh well, that's true. That's very user-friendly, huh?
With Canal Box Fiber, enjoy an unlimited and ultra-fast connection for the whole house, starting with 90,000 Ugandan shillings per month.
okuterera karura abebembezi bawe ahandi ngo zitari zimwe na zimwe n'obugabe bwawe oku nukwo okubasa kutera karuru kawe omu buryo bw'ekikire otaina kuona okubanza oza aha mwanya ogu wayehandikise kutereramu akaruru wahika aha mwanya oheye endangamuntu yawe ninga akakongi kawe ako kuhamya kuri omutezi w'akaruru aha barikujunanizibwa eby'obururu bakebera izina ryawe omu rukarara ninga shi register ebiro kuhamya nk'omutezi w'akaruru nibiija kushwijumwa abarikukozesa ebyoma bya karimagezi okukebera ebinkumu n'amaisho buri omwe natekwa kuraba omu ntebe y'ekanisa egi kwenda ngu ogwo weena oikirizibwe kuteera akaruru yakateera akakongi k'akaruru nako nikaija kushwijumwa kuhamya yaba kashikire ocwemu okuteera akaruru kawe bweshereke kandi orebe ngu bakutaho akamanyiso ko kuhamya kuwateera akaruru okuteera akaruru nokutandika shaha emwe z'akasheshe kusikya shaha 10 z'omwabazyo ebiri kukwataho n'akaruru kawe byona birinzirwe gye mbwenu iroko kateere akaruru kanje iraka ryanje.
Ona omplotsi 15 nomsho ez amiteine katete mbarasite ubure kutunga meyawe haza kandi twiniye na plots nunje zindi omyanya mirunji amhanda yona erupta no kushoro muri mbarasite Bushenyi Road omchiyeje $5,000,000 na Kashaka $10,000,000 Masaka Road Robiyenje ya Spira $2,300,000 na Kanyaryer $8,000,000 Kabare Road omurchece $5,000,000 hamwe na Karamo mukategura $8,000,000 Ibanda Road Ishanyu $15,000,000 na Ibanda Town $2,500,000 no basa kushashura hecweka echa pasenti ya 30 rere zirasigare oshashura hagati ya meza 3 nyabura we ija office zaitu mbarra Chosiga House Mackenzie Street omanye birukuchira esimu not mushanju atari na mkaga 8588 Amity Realtors Limited ntukwendeze chiro chikuru chirunji no mwaka msiyo gwihorere.
Tayari West iraka ryito ntugumizamu webare kubocera n'itwe kandi hati ntwengera yo koreka ibirukufa omukaruru obwo turukoreka ombicweka bitari bumena bumwe oku abantu kandi obwo ararugaho akaza omulirira kubasa kuba nagumizamu okusherra obururu obwo turi kugenda omumeisho twenkata ya West okuba ntukwisiyaho byona ebiri kugenda omumeisho omu byakaruru ashike ngu ebiro nibice byonka ebyasigarayo kandi ntwenda kumanyisa ngu ababesimbira ntebe bwa president kuba aratera akaruru ake 2015 ebyokwezi oku akaruru ako neija kurabaho ebiro bice karukubarwa nka 2 ninga 3 aikararangirirwe omusinguzi karabo omwe asingira karuru neija kurabaho indijo myezi nk'ebiri then abase kuba narahizibwa ninga narahira ogumizamu okukora emirimo kandi kucyakuba kitabire kityo naija kuba kwakubasa kubaho abatasya ebicweka 50 aharigana ebyakaruru okashanga ngo bundu bona hina yayihayo nkana na 8 ondijo yihayo nkana na 7 ninga 45 kibanchi mayisangu akaruru nikagarukwamu ahabwabo babiri abaruku babijana n'obururu oburu kwenda kuinganingana abatasya percentage ya 50+1 arukusiya obururu percentage ninga bicweka 50 ogesireho akacweka kamwe ogwe niwe arukurangirirwa nko musinguzi konkabo nabija ahansi ya 50 nikimayisangu nahabana haza kutebekanisibwa akaruru eituru kweta runoff ninga okugarukamo akaruru ahabwa abantu abo babiri then tukabasa kwihamo omwe arabasingire mutahiwe akaruru nikwe karikatyo tarihe byo kugwadro ntatekwa kujiro wasinga niyo demokrasia arikusinga nowe arikurangirirwa nko musinguzi atyo akebembera ihanga amajingo make kokuna nakushoborere nyuma hao tujja kubantu kutwaraho mu rukore ayi president yo Dr. Museveni wa NRM ariyo nasherura akaruru obwo ebicweke ebyo agarukireyo akayarugireyo konka hine binde byabira takiremu hatentebe kanseruho ne kureka ngo ebirebi nkabina ebyasigara byo kusherura akaruru yabasagaruka ombicweke ebyo agumize muno kukasherura na nakushoborere ngo nchakare natekatekwa kuba mu district ya Kasese okunaho no jika ngo akayarugireyo omuntu yahurire cyo nabasa kuteka ngo nenshobi konkatiyo abwo kuba najagarukayo mbicweke bindi ebya district ejo kokuru kureba ha screen yawo Adolf Ayoreka yahereze kuba standby ayemeriraho kutusyaho ibiri kugenda mesho om district ejo kandi omajingo agagenyini reka tumwegiteho abase kutushobora ibiri kugenda mesho omuri kole ayi president Dr. Museveni arukuteka kuba arukushaba akaruru Adolf tugambire ebiri ahori
kandi ngenda kugambira yoriya hata ya West TV ezesha hatwaheze kuba nsimba makanda umuri district ya Kore kandi ejo bakagishara ahari district ya Rira so president Museveni rizoba naza kuba nakora campaign ahacha achurubanya secondary school playground ahantu rabe nakora rare yo kubanza kandi nabwa nyuma ya rugaha naza kuba nakora rare city ya Rira akuba president Museveni abase kuba nagaruka kuno ya kugira ngo buyabira rukuno mu district za kunoya akabasa kuba natambuka eje myanya so ndukwasha zirimo kugira ngo ayizajigarukemo abase kuba natera mu campaign zeye kandi arugambira abatezi bakaruru ahabwenshi bashime kuba batera karuru NRM hamwe na president Museveni hamwe nabo bona abesimbireho afraga za NRM ninyanda tugambeho na chairman LC5 chairman NRM biha eba batebekanisize kubakora omukisange cyo kibariyo bashaba echenkumi abina on Tire West TV. What's your name?
My name is Andrew Moses of Kole District and also the President Uganda Local Government Association.
Now we are here in Kore. Why should the people of Kole vote NRM?
Actually, of His Excellency President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, as we talk here, recently the President Secondly, it's been a while, we not had
Endo maisho ebyo nebiri omu district eya Kore kandi ahi President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni w'ekibiina kya NRM ariyo nashaba akaruru byayekwata mukache konka kubiraterere ntukugarrayo Adolf Ayureka n'omukuru gwe n'abandi abakuru abarugamba akaruru ak'ekibiina ekya NRM nakiriyo ninkushobora ngu okushaba akaruru ako bwa President akarumwa abantu 8 ab'ebibiina by'obutegetsi ebitari bimwe na bimwe 8 hari
health facilities for deliveries and all small cases of diseases in the community, sicknesses. People can easily access health services. And this is the reason why I will tell you this district will vote massively for His Excellency the President.
Let's look at the lively income, homestead income that the President has been emphasizing. How is it the picture? How is it the picture like here in Kore district?
Of course, the vision and the mission of the President to improve on household income is one of the best things. Majority of the people in the districts have benefited under the PDM and Emyoga. The only challenge we have is that the size of the parishes here is big, and it is our prayer that the President and government generally increase on they should increase on the basket, the resource basket, so that the PDM can reach out to many people in the parishes. But the program is highly appreciated and people are very happy about it.
Let's look at Kore. Kore being it's one of the new districts that we have in the country. What are some of the challenges that are hindering development, that are facing you guys who are leading this district? What are some of the challenges that you're facing?
The key challenge which we have here is that one, Kole is a new district, and it was opened in 2011, and by then, of course, between 2011 and 2019, COVID came in, and of course, by then, investment of government was affected because of COVID. But even so, there are still new expectations that the people actually think that the next government should do. Number one, the population of this district have asked the President, are still asking the President that their health center 4 should be upgraded into a district hospital. And then also, Bala Health Center 3 must be upgraded to Health Center 4 for the population of Kole South. The second thing, which is a big challenge, is that the water bodies have actually crossed Kole. The bigger land size of Kole is actually affected by the water bodies, and so it has made activities of the people in the wetland so much. So we think that the President must come up with affirmative action to support the people of Kole to have income generating activities so that people are taken out of the wetland. And that is a big challenge. Of course, sometimes the condition of the district itself makes it very, very different from the rest of the districts. So among those other districts that the President has given them leverage and protection, we are also calling for the President and government to give affirmative action for Kole district because of their nature of being really too much infested with wetlands and water bodies. Yes.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure having you on Tayari West TV. Kandi Ogwemamreba ni chairman LC5 ahabwa Kore district kandi mwahura Koreji bakagitondaho omwaka gw'2011 kandi abagambira challenges ahazumwe ezikuba affectinga abo kugira ngo Kore ne sarwa enyanja, so limited space for expansion. Atafunaho ndijo omujenye ntwenda tugambire abwenchi abantu ba Kore bashimiye kubana baronda NRM. Honorable, it's a pleasure having you on Tayari West TV.
Which TV?
Tayari West TV.
Are they hearing us or they're just seeing us? Oh, thank you very much. Welcome to Lira. Welcome to Lamu. I'm welcoming you to this side. Yeah, my name is Honorable Sam Engola. We are here looking for support for chairman of the party, Honorable His Excellency President Yoweri Museveni, plus all our flag bearers to give them success. We have come to support them and see that all our people win this time. We are kindly asking our people to use the 30 people per village. Then the 35 people per village who have been elected by the people. So a total of 63 people per village. If we are honest with our party, nobody can fail in NRM this time.
Let's look at some of the gains that we need to protect in What are some, if you can highlight some of the gains that you think you've achieved in this?
The gain we have achieved here, the roads. Roads are very good. Schools are very good. Hospitals have been improved. Education is very good. And the people are happy. The peace and the security. Those are the gains which we want.
As we go for elections this next week on 15th, what would be your message to the voters, senior citizens?
As a senior citizen, my peace is number one. We want peace. We are very stable. NRM is very strong. And we are going to get over 80% this time in Lamu sub-region. President should be sure. All our candidates should be sure that they're going to go through, including me. I'm a candidate.
Because when you say that, it's like, because we know this region as a staunch UPC, what are the strategies that you're using this time around?
First of all, the UPC has collapsed. Their head is not there. So all the rest are supporting us. You can't talk now without an head. It's like a snake. If you have cut the head, what will the tail do? So we don't want to talk about them and we don't comment about them. We're just moving ahead and forward.
So as Kole and Lango as a sub-region, what are some of the challenges? Because we know Kore is a very young district. What are some of the challenges that Kore is still facing as far as development is concerned?
Kore is facing mainly the administrative unit. The RDC is very strong. The council is not very strong because the mix of UPC and NRM, as you have said. So we are kindly asking them to pull up so that they feel. And it's a very big district. Because from Alito up to the headquarters is very far and really overpopulated. So we are kindly asking for them to unite and they work together.
Because Mzei's message has been commercial agriculture. How is it like here in Kore? Have people picked up that kind of message from the president? What are they doing in Kore?
You see, Kore as a district, there are too many swamps, first of all, which has taken a lot of land. But other places where it is dry, the farming is doing very well. Most of the people in Lira, they are being fed by the people of Kore. That's a good thing.
What do they produce?
Maize, soybean, sorghum, cassava, potatoes, all those normal things.
Your last word is to the viewers of Tayari.
My last word is people vote for Museveni, vote for all our candidates, and I want to wish them a happy new year and a good voting day. There will be peace and comfort. Thank you.
Thank you, it's a pleasure, Honorable. Ogwe Mamhura ni Engora kandi ni senior citizen omu Uganda kandi abwe no mu kibina echa NRM konka Oria Tayari West nyenda kuhereza homwe ahabirukwata harikore hamwe na narira erizoba President Museveni harabe naronda akaruru nyenda kugambira ngo Kore district ina magombora 11 hamwe na emiruka 52 kandi nebyaro 586 population ya ningo mubaro gw'abantu abari mu Kore nibingana omutwaro 11 binasha tunamushanju kurigera emtwaro 29 bishatu na nomwe kurigera population census ye2024 kandi nyenda kwereka omukarura kahwire presidential elections akenkumibiri Kore ekabeine abatezi bakaruru emtwaro 11 kenda bina ashatu na mushanju kandi hariyabo emtwaro mushanju no babase kubana batera karuru kandi President Museveni akabasa kubana abona obururu emtware na kakaga hamwe na Rwenda obukoro bucuye kanshanju aharigana kandi NUP ninga Robert Chaguranyi wa National Unity Platform akaba natunga obururu mutwaro gumwe 15 rwenda ashatu na mushanju oburukoro obuchweka 23.8% kandi abandi babona oburure 10 gumwe kore omwaka ogwo 2026 inabatezi bakaruru emitwaro 13 kashanju rwenda nkaga na mwenda okurigirira National Electoral Commission kandi abatezi bakaruru base kubana beyongera obwingi nyenda kutwareho omururira rira ninyenda turebe rira omubaro gwabo okubatira karuru mukarura kahwire yori atayari West TV nyenda kugambira ngo turiyaha okubantu kwisiyaho buri kimwe cyona ekiri kugendo mu misho ahaha omuri Kore district rira yes rira eine constituencies ibiri kandi eine na town councils ibiri eine parishes anana mwenda kandi eine na ebyaro ninga wards ezirukwingana 238 kandi waza kureba population neingana emitwaro anana mnana mwe kashanju bishatu anana mnana kandi of course omukarura kahwire rira city ekabaye nabatezi bakaruru omutwaro 11 emitwaro 11 10 rushanju na babiri kandi hari yabo abatira karuru no mutwaro abatira karuru umuryaba batira karuru President Museveni akihayo bururu emitwaro mukaga kashanju 10 shanju na mwenda kandi NUP yabona obururu emitwaro 3 hamwe n'15 noreba waza kureba henyuma abantu babase kubana bijura hacishayi cha Achurubanya playground ekine cishayi cha Achurubanya secondary school playground kandi nkoko kureba abantu babase kubana bijura abebembezi batari babona bamwe waza kureba enyuma aho noreba speaker w'ishenjero rya government rya Uganda Right Honorable Anet Among nawe yashikire kubana naruga kanarga kugamba n'abantu hari aha stage yaheze kubana ikakanda shagatirwe abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe harimo Merceninde hamwe na abamwe Honorable David Arukugantoroko hamwe nabandi abebembezi abo kuruga so President Museveni shayona nabana ragara mwaha kandi yori atayari West TV nyenda kugambira ngo nza kubikwereza butunu aha sitting room yawo aho raboho nde Adolf Ireka hamwe na ngabirano aha umurukore district omulango sub region
West kandi ebine biri mu district eyakole President Yoweri Museveni eshaha nchomesha unaisha kuba narebeka ha screen okubasa kugendo meshona na okushaba karuru abantu ba district ejo eyakole nkoku wareba ezo district ezikushangwa matemba ge hangeri ya Uganda kandi kore elia mwatano na district nka Lira na district ezinde ziri mu matemba kongezi tine bantu bingi akushanga ngu omuntu no shanga omucharo chona hihi arumuwenka amakagena ganagire abantu baribache nabwecho nanokutunga abantu nkiga no mwanya gumwe ni kiba kigumere konka noreba ngo bariyo bagezeho kwijo mbwinjo kurekereza message ya President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni eyabinire obwo arukubashaba akaruru na nakumanyiseho nti akachiko akibye bururu aka Electoral Commission obwihangaru kwetegura karuru kesa biteru kwija baherize kuba nibatandika kugaba ebintu ebirukweyambisibwa omukutera obururu om district zitari zimwe na zimwe okugira ngo bibase kutebekanisibwa ahizoba eri 2015 ebiru 14 biryarara ebintu ebi bishikire omyanya eyibarukwija kuba nibatereramu akaruru lero ebiru 15 kasheshe biryaba byakomorwire baishahemwe abantu batandike kutera akaruru kandi ebintu ebi ebirumunka biometric machines ebirumu boxes zirimu ballot papers ningo bukonje bwo kutereraho bururu bariyo babitwara ombicweke ebyo kugira ngo hatija kuba okuteganisibwa kuona ebintu ebi bibe byakire ombwire kandi amyanya yabyo aho abantu barkwije kuba ne babishanga barukutera akaruru nitwenda kutugumizemu nanokuba ntukumanyisa ngu abandi abesimbire nabo abatari hantebe yo bwa president konka bari hantebe zindi nkeza abanyishenjero nabo bariyo nabakwatane biragara buri omwe nashirura akaruru muringo gwa rukubasa hariho abatandikire enkora eyo rwija harundi nibagenda nibahikaho abantu nibabashaba akaruru obo barukubahikaho mbuntu kandi n'abandi nibakikora enkoreje nyuma y'itubire tumanyirire eyo kukora zarare okutekaho ebyuma birugamba emizindaro ebyeshongoro n'abantu bengi bakijo mbishayi nano myanya ndijo bakawurikiriza message ezabesimbire itwe tukumanyisa ngu byone ebyo tuguma tubikuretera kandi omakuru gitu agenshonga arshayibirizo mwabaziyogu amakuru ago ntujagare tombwinji tukoreke na nebirabe nebibabiruho obwiro obwo bwonyine birukugenda omeisho eshayeji ekinde kinkwenda kumanyisa no kugira ngo abantu abebina ebyo butegeki ebitari bimwe na bimwe batandikire kwakira empapura ezirumu abatezi bakaruru okurugo mukachiko akebyo bururu eki nikibabasa kandi nkikirizibwa omungendero yihanga ngo abantu abarukuba bine byo butegeki obwire bw'akaruru katakatirwa bashemerire kutunga empapura ezirukubasa kweta register ezabatezi bakaruru kandi nyuma abaziyo turebere abekibina ekya NRM barukutunga empapurezo twagaruka twareba hamwe na aba ekibina ekya National Unity Platform barukubaho na nebine bindi kandi ekinkiyamba okugira ngo abebina byo butegeki nabo babase kwerebera bwerure akarura karukwetwa transparency babase nabo okwerebera omumpapurezi okureba abantu abakachiko kibyo bururu bahandikire yaba nubo benyini abatezi bakaruru abarukwija kubana bakatera babase nabo okushijimo kureba no hatarumu no harumu arumwata no hashire katera no hatashire katera kandi cyashangwa ngo buzimaku bona abahandikirwa akakika kabaruhu kandi n'abatezi bakaruru kibase kubahereze kishani akarura ko barukuzamu nabo ko barukwija kuba nibetegereza owatera notatera ahabwacyo guyasingwa ahabwacyo guyasinga ebyo byona nibiba nibyetengesa so empapurezo nabazihereza omitu rukweta hard copy niziziri empapura zenyini tibiri byo kugira ngo nibakuha PDF ninga nibabiraza email ninga nibakuhereza app ninga nibakuhereza ikindi cyona nibibiri omumpapura so nyuma abaziyo turebere Richard Todong ogu no muhabebembezi omukibine kya NRM kandi n'umuhandiki wacyo nkakarani nawe agireyo aharubajuru rw'ekibina ekya NRM okuza kwakira empapurezo eshayeji tujja kuba ntugumizamo kutwara ombicweke bindi ebitwinire omudakika nkemu ibiri tujja kuba ntukutwara ombicweke bya kasese okwegita ahari Isaac Mate omunyamakuru weitu okwe omurikasese arukutwisyaho enshonga ezibyo bururu okuzemerire omucweke ekyo Mate tutware omeisho na nokutushobora ebiri okwe
wasinja kutsibu omusamaliri owekinemba eche tayari West TV tukakusinga yasi tuuche busuburero inje ninje Mate Isaac omunyamyatse wokuwawo hano Kasese district okonambye no tuli okwa Nyamwamba division headquarters kandi tuli na Kasereka Pimako ono ni LC3 owe Nyamwamba division so tukaya kana yako nayo eriminyerera esho campaign niko sinemwende mbere omunyamwamba division hano kandi neriminyerera nibusana nachi Pimako Kasareka akasaba akaruru omuruma owakabere erebya meya owe Nyamwamba division so tunendayo hano tukayakana yako nayo kandi utebu kutu erebya iunemu kwamererya omwati onu weitu wasinja kutsibu honorable erebya wabiri twaka katuko erikania ko nawo tukamenyerera n'emyezi hakuhibiri imune mu campaigning echo campaign sikuwawo sinemwenda sitembere
cha campaign sinemwenda ndeke tunamurenga eriko kubando eriko kuba mobilize abaye erikanirania nabo nari basoborera nzo mwengareke basombora emibiri twamabiri ko mu division nebende ebya tukatasa yongera ko erikora kandi nicyangale kibasombora omundu niki ecyangale kwa mundu nasakoma niki nebugabe bwewe ni democratic right and iyongo mundu owe Uganda yitwa libi nakatwamo nende eyumwembembetaye okwandengo syosi so tunamubabwera omwatsi oyo erangina ndi bakayitereraya kandi ribayiramu amahende basasasombora nenzo mwengaleke basombora
wamahika let me say wamakavaringa eshowadi ngasinga yati
okamarangeri nje almost eshowadi cyose ne covered only that ngasere bya robert ngabe satu 3 cells ngoma Nyamwamba division but nas because wamarange Nyamwamba division ndina mabyembe mbetia emyaka ihikirini abandu banasikasereka pimaku nganenda onule ne bake kutsibu aba batabaminya emibiri yakasereka pimaku ebyamabere kora neryo sayano kikareke ngana ngasubayinga namwanda ngababwera ebyangatasa yakora ebyanamabere kora nebyangatasa yakora bakiba manyirira bamanyisubyayo ngatasasuba mu office emyaka 5 neryo yandanga basoborere esya challenges kutse ebitsebo ebyatruwete beto aba batraba nanyikwa makwameni banabyasi ngini azere babwere ndi Enyamwamba division yetre tuturo ndinga turo mu bantu sinatabyo mu office ngatwanga namu conducting community meetings sometimes wasanga tunamwa community policing meetings monitoring government projects ingana meeting aba leaders nga LOC1 LOC2 ibasa itwasanga sangana nabo itwa kanyo kwa betsebo biro mu division erwa mu byaro byabo cha security meetings eyo sini mibire kanyi tokeseri byanga no mu bantu kana naba batsomen ibana muko makwamania ebyanga kora kana eriminyerera kasereka pimaku nganenda yes
wait tukarangera obusimba obwe NRM primaries mu butaenda ndeko kusaidia habwachi muwa insistinga wote mpaka wase nga independent
wasinja kutsebo ndina wamabitikani oto mu butaenda ndeke ekindu kikacha maenda nabe chikaminsa chikabya ekikayitaga eriko kotya kutse eri correcting the mistakes kutse eriwania ebyo byareke ichaenda nabe for example obo komebweto mu NRM office ngikani ngoku yethu ye Nyamwamba division Kasese district muyalemwa eri conductinga eri yitsemba kutse obusombole obwe primary eritendendo mwabinje kutsibu kusangwibwe neriba nichiwoma okwabukodyo bwerisingo mu politics yes namwangabe mu mpira yes ebisenda byandako but office muyalemwa to the extent indiyanja hanakomerawa inje kasereka pemako hanakomera mubabu abatisibende baresha result yashabye kwa polling station yeyo bamagana baba naleta baba nahiraho nebero embo tusoba mwere ko mwakaro kusangwa abantu bayibaranja ambo ebose batasanda mwaboko mobo kusangwa amo babu abate muhakabyo bwibati munibo toma tuti ize polling station yeyo abatusamalire kuli abakome rokome bisatu nengaga beto abakome abaseresako mu butuko bati that material tema basakoma baba hikira abakome bene atano ina biri tungako obororo bene ane na butano okwa polling station eyo now babera batera nduru electoral commission obusine registrar owe NRM atakale tusuba mu karoro neri trobo situkaya byaho tusamalere okwenenene kasereka I mean okwenene abandu bamakoma bati muna subayo twama mobilizing abantu bana bananga itsimbera nabo bamabatise twendendo mwabukoma obo twaba tuno it's up to you either area sakutse trend yasa nganza rikobwera nababa tusamalire mutwa mobilizing abantu almost because we didn't count but abantu abekera ngaronane banabe babirias okwarukumina around yo kubanza bamana mba sitwatasakoma manya security manyabe no problem kandi kuna security yabe yineo eyikamza UPDF yineo police yineo mwira trend trouble sina abakandidate trouble trend even aba administrators ama electoral commission ya NRM mwasi tusamalira babara karuru mu abandu bimane muhongo mubagana mubatrasa
but muwa mobilizing eyuruna hesi
of course echaro chikatunga yoruna hesi because I muna tunga obutuku it was root eribe mutwe ya mobilizing not only me eribe ninga mobilizing it was root eribe mutwe ya mobilizing abantu base basombole now bamana mbotoleke tasakoma bamabusubya mbotusakoma chaka 5 I still remember those days chaka 5 chabetike still trauma mobilizing people were ready to come and show and vote bamarwambo si cherebo kome without any reason. Truche naho embo ya Buganda tango doi yuwa mwabata haleke hivi abukome now. Ebino marangendo obuni bukome obuli kwa division level, sub-county level. But iwa yaendo kwa national. And wamendo kwa national, there is no any reference file. Ayawa ngasanga ayo, yikakani okwa bendwa byabya, amabusombole obwa Nyamwamba division. Nyamwamba division, NRM office, swaba administrator, bamahandikira a district register, bakamubwera bati. Obukome buli mubiha yoboruru kaserika muhoboruru bene asatu na butano mubu considering. Kusanga already mubingiro mwabetabo. Mwamatendi bu considering muleke tosobe mu obukome. Ebaro mubatanzere holekerera. They never considered it. Trabe tunamwa mbutango doi abira tuhaleke ndibi obukome. Yes. Truchi naho trauma mbutango doi you are mahandike baro atomu mokwitwe amasinga now. Can you imagine register okwa national level? Yuka decidinga isa travel yabo kwa ground. Tuote register kwa village, kwa parish, kwa division, kwa municipality, kwa district. But here mubi endo kwa national level. Induwa mabuli out who you want to revenue kwa national level nindi you can't get. Nibindu bishesimu which is against the democracy, which is against the procedure. Now, ukabe uko marangira abantu bekogere babe baute democratic rate yabo eyerikangani omundu yabanzira resombora mubaba denyingayi, which is also another irregularity. Byama byabete bamatasakora another grave mistake. Mubatabara karuro Nyamwamba division akosi mukatabaro because omwabo kwa mukabya erebarobororo. That's why hatukatungeritalinga bambo nani mbwe oyamatunga nani yuwa masingo mubosi. So Nyamwamba division mukatabarwa kandi mukatarangererwa.
So bakaditaminingira wina bakamuditamininga bat.
Bakaditamininga wina ayukatunga bonene okubande enyuma serebeta declaration forms. For example mbunyaka sanga siri kasereka pimako mwaki hayi 13 kilia mbwe nyubo simu kilia mutie maybe a person X ya mihayi 16 person Y ya mihayi bekome besatu kilia nyubo simu mutie because you all have those declaration forms. That's what we call tallying. Then bakaba birikora echo neribambo twabe barisia polling station icho simu 13 for example Nyamwamba division yabe uta polling station 13 tukatwa mabara polling station 13 tukasangana tuti candidate mulebe amatunga obororo bunga na mulebe amatunga bunga mulebe you amatunga bunene kubwa bandi therefore is the winner. It is the result.
But now how do they determine that you got 1,900 and the other one got over 2,000 something? How do they determine that? And yet you say they didn't tally.
Now this one, it is being pronounced officially, vikarangira officially na registrar.
Okay.
Ebyo ukabu ebyo byabyo bikaro mu opponent abananga itsimbera nabo babaleta those results. But registry imwetrebuga tikekene kule nasa naombwera mu no registrar we kasese either kasese district either municipality either division akaranga karoro wako. So the question is nende yitwala libe nakarangirire yiwe masinga yiwe matungo bororo bonene is the registrar. Ebindu ebena we bihaha ibyo makaniye. It is the candidates. Can you imagine? Abaganda zabalata mbutu matunga bunga. For example, you are talking over 900 that I got 1,900. But my declaration form zona master tesa no sikakana sita I had 2,165. My declaration form, that's what I am reading. So the only judge that would come up to give a difference or to give a final word in a registrar. You can watch. No, according to my recordings, I have this. So wameko kubandwa basatu that is kaseba counter na kasereka obule mundu utesiwe.
Okay. Hatia as you deferred all that wamasubo mabusemba ukena yihaho
maybe indonga namukola trera wamanyanguhia. Now in the tribal minyato tuhamale mwa eretungarerangererwa na register wonyine nebiribu amo bya molema ichakangani exercise yebye yiwiri. Now what is the remedy ninje kuti abantu ababyo mwabusombora buyitetekiranganize nebikora benga kunambasa babe akoleki remedy ningumanyisa nabe ngatwalebya ningayenda ningayahaba but then yene ngayire nayo karange ndiri dubious ile bintu ebiwire obutukubu nemutwisiga remedy ningumanyisa omutaka eyabali atangerwa bwabe bwewe enda karuke ukalekerangererwa kalekerebarwa aleke ndekoma ngabe kogere ngase ngomundu
namataka nibo bakubwera
abataka ngwa iye twatia asanga omundu tunerede limane nyuma shawo. It was not my decision. Injinga Kasereka, otherwise I would have given up because I don't see why. Better watakama mbuno tutu aberangero kwenene pima kwa asanga omundu we are ready erondi akaruru kena ngende tukasuba mu office kwa habwe mbiri wa betukolera. So muna asanga omundu sindi bwanda namaro machitebe cyayi eri asanga omundu nibwambo abataka benyamwamba division ba correcting a mistake ye NRM office yakora. So mukambolo tibwa one determined erisinga ngisinga because abantu abasombora kandi abana mwende asaba kora batu ibasombora abantu amubarangi regularities obitahikiro butabulingereranye obwabyo mwabusombora obo abana balera mubakoma nabantu baidha bakoma sibabantu abakikoma this time abantu banasemale emibiri ya Kasereka pima kama bikoro on ground ngakora hano mwanyamwamba division mwamarangi abantu bose benga itsimbira nabo nobody sali iwe sibo hakakesaye.
So honorable omunanga naiburia inte habwachi almost here in Kasese is like you didn't have a primary election habo kuba abo inyubo skandi mu masobor apart from maybe Kaseba but when you look at the MPs almost one of them came, Chitura Francis. Yes. You came. Wamaende Bulembi, I think they are Bomera alone. But you will see that the majority, when you go to Central Division, you will see that Sheiza Deo refused the results. Almost Abandrabo Zibakani show results. Why was it that? Why was it?
Obole mondo obole rulengo ruute reason kande ine muhambaye achi abantu erane shareza chikama insenda habya emikolere mebe abantu mubatabya satisfied with the decision that was out. So uleke basobole this time because NRM muyalemo one by the way nguteribya categorically clear NRM office muyabya very corrupt. NRM office yabicommercializing election yabiranze sya sente ibuse bali kuhimbe kitebe sebali kuminyerera nendre eyutorere ribe nakaraba batakamba katwa mundu yobali kunendi yo matwerere sente. It is not the decision of the voters but the man who declares the voters, the one who decides who has won. Isi yo mukomika twa mati yo masinga yo betu ayikabara akaroro yukatwa ati yo masinga nende chikale kimarangera abantu bose basobole independent bana mamati NRM mukale mawa eri conducting exercise like twende mu electoral commission ye ikiconductinga because even the time is enough mukatsu kasa hisatu ziti saisatu ibiri erikasa ikomena ngoma betu hali makasa waranga omundu makako memero ndere ngamuka chikale ko warangera ndre na president this time not only in Kasese abe yohonera abiminyera abantu independent kune bantu be NRM therefore abataka you make a decision.
Kale wasinja honorable Pimako Kasereka wasinja kutsebu habo butuku bwawo weitu omusamaliri owekinemba eche tayari West TV ono are Pimako Kasereka kandi niyo LC3 owenyamwamba division so turwe tukakana nayo okumyatsi ya Karuru nerangirinde habwachi kandi akasubura mu busimba bono obwe nyamwamba division tukebya itune mukichako emyatse tetete eine mwende mbere nere hatsuka hano mwa Kasese district especially omakaruru akane mwende mbere neri nerebya ninje mate Ishak omunyamyatse wuku wawo hano Kasese district back to you Ajuna pleasure.
Isaac wasinja mushakuru wetu eriwe Kasese ritwika yako emyatseyi kandi oguwano reba yabayine Kasereka ogwe nomwebembezi omuri nyamwamba division omurembo orwa Kasese bantu bagendo mesho no kucenchura no kutematema mwenshonga zebya Karuru okomuri Kasese kandi ni pamyangu buri kimwe cyona wabasa kubana bacetegereza je kurunje munonga eshaheji tuje kubantu gumizamu pora ombichweke bindi tworeke oku echoya echebyo bururu kiriyo nikimuko mbantu abantu bariyo nibagumizamu nibatunga omwoyo nugwimuka ogwo kurebeka ngu baza ombyo bururu okubasa kubwetebekanisiza kandi obwe bari kugenda omeshona nokuba nebabutereza netujagumizamu mpora ekyo nicho kyenyine kituri kwijagumizamu netukora kandi otakora enshobi okesiga ekindi kintu kyone kikwatirine nebyo bururu kitarugira aha Tayari West nitwe twine amakuru genyina gakire kandi agakwatirine na nebyo bururu agarukuruga aha mwanya yayo gari agamazima tutihireho kandi tutongireho turuga kuretera butunu okagerebera nko kugaru kugenda omesho nankiriyo ninkushobora ngu ahantebe eyabo abarukwesimba ahakaruru abesimbira ntebe eya abanyishengero nabo sabite rukwijizo bandyerumwe nebija kubana batoranwa hamwe n'abesimbira ntebe eyo bwa president konka ekirukukira yo bukuru ekyo ine kumanya no kumanya ngo nabandi abesimbire nebija kubana batererwa bururu okweyongerayo ommeisho omukwezi okukubanza kuona kurukwa turukutaho mukwezi kwa kabiri okutora nabandi abesimbire ombyanga byawe ba kansala ba meya twinemu ba chairman LC5 bentebe za katano ama district na nabandi nabone bija kubana batererwa obururu twineyo obururu obwabe inoburema mbiri yabu abuturukuteka omukiteki turukweta SDGs ninga special interest group SIDGs kandi nibija kubana bono batoranwa omukwezi okwa kabiri twinemu okutora n'abakucikirira abakuziro myaka ba kirinju ninga buturukweta ba eldare twinemu abakucikirira abakyara ahandengo eza minyeto kandi twinemu n'abakucikirira eminyeto benyini twinemu abarukubacikirira nka ebicweka byabahi barukuruga Western Uganda, East Central na nebicweka bindi kandi twinemu nabo abarukucikirira abakozi abo bona nibatoranwa demokrasiya eyihanga erya Uganda kugira ngo buri kintu kitunge omujwekerwa buri kitongore buri bantu abo kuba twinemu n'entebe y'abarukujwekera abanyamahe UPDF nayo nebine bamemba ba parliamenti omwishengero ryihanga abo bona nibatoranwa kandi nibeja kutoranwa okutandikana n'ebiro 15 ebyokwezi okubanza okusya omukwezi okwa kabiri ebiro byokwezi mukaga tujja kuba tugenda mission okumanyisa obururu obwe okubura bino butambura kandi twenda kuraganisa ngo esabiti erukwija aizobe ly'urwakana tujja kusiba turi ombicweka byona turukoreka oku ebyakaruru biri na hati twatandikire kuba tukoreka kandi tukumanyisa ngo ebirukozesebwa mukuteza obururu biriyo nibigenda nibihika mu district ezidari zimwe na zimwe okureka ngo byakwasibwa abubine kubikwasa abari kubikumaje okusya ahizoba eryo kubikomorra akaruru karukugenda omeisho nkoko bururu obundi burukukira kuba nitumanya ngo ntabasa kuba mabarije kwetombeita ngo banyeba ninga akaruru tukaba ko buriyo n'amazima nabo abahebwa keire ako kugenda mu court ku petitioninga ninga kwababa koti etekeho obwire bwo kucondoza eshare mishangejo arabasingirwe bundasingirwa mu butari buryo akaruru katebekanisibwe kagarukwemo kandi arabasingirwa mu buryo abase kubanarekura arabasingire nyuma abaziyo turebere akaciko akarugita amadini agihangiriye Uganda aka Interreligious Council kandi chairperson wako nwe Archbishop owa ekanisa ya Uganda obarukweta Archbishop Kazimba Stephen Mugalu ogu abase kushitamisa abakachikako abarimunka Bishop wa Pentecostal Churches Joseph Serwada abebembezi ahandengo stars zimwe na zimwe na mnonga bebine byo bitegeke bitari bimwe na bimwe turebireyo w'ikibine cya National Unity Platform abeire ariyo obarukweta Lena Zedriga amwena nabibyo kwirinda batekaho orukiko kandi baganira bashaba abantu ngo akaruru bakejumbere mu konka barindo businge no buteka baba bagendo mission katera na nabibyo kwirinda abarukutongwa mu akara ahabwo kutuntuzo bundaburu bajora kanisa government ninga abanyamakuru nabo behanangirizibwe ngo ahamurundo gubetero mu kifuba babase kora oku emirimo yabe rukuragira kandi buri muntu bamuhestinisa ombyaro kora abesimbere babareke batabatambe ikono kusherura karuru kandi nana abanyamakuru bantu bakwata ebyo kugendo mesho nabo babahe ekitinisa nitujja kuhumura mukache burango bwabakama baitu burabeho kuturagaruke tujija kurara twayigita hari Joshua buri kimwe kukiragendeje abase kutushobora ahari ombicweke ebi ebyambara akaruruho abanyambara n'abantu becweke eki baketebekanisize bata tucyagendo mesho no kusyebya karura Tayari West netwendeza ogumana itwe ahabwo kuba nitwe turniwe
handika izuba imirimo urugendo ninga kahumuro neco kunywa ca Chituzi yenywere Chituzi ohurema twenge aha mumiro nichikurwa kurugo mu Chituzi ca Shitake amajani hamwe no bwoki konjora bunuzi hamwe no mutindo eki nichikurwa ba Chituzi Farm Company Limited abeine teknolojia nebyoma byo mutindo Chituzi drink ichirizibwa kitongore cyo mutindo mu ihanga echa UNBS kandi nashangwa mu maduka na supermarket zona mu ihanga kushubura tera simu noti mushanju munana mushanju bisha twina bitana shatunemwe ninga noti mushanju munana mushanju bisha twitano 00 mwenda.
Every journey begins with a strong foundation, from bridges that connect us to power that drives our future, from towers that shape our skyline to railways that carry our stories, from welcoming gateways at Entebbe to the roads that open our protected lands, to the landmarks that define who we are. One name that holds it all together. Built strong, built to last. Built with Hima Cement.
This is AFCON, my friend. Everything is a competition. Everything.
Get your DSTV decoder today and be part of the AFCON family meeting from 21st December to 18th January for just 25,000 shillings on Super Sport.
Ohereza sine ya kana ninga sine ya mukaga okakora kurungi sciences oine chetengo cyo kushoma obushaho konko yerarikirire school fees jete tuition amakuru marungi ngaga aba Africa Youth Education Charity Programs bizire kukwera bakwatanise na Ibanda Institute of Health Sciences hamwe n'amatendekera gandu gona agehandikise na Ministry of Education and Sports batandikirewe huru eyo kuhandika beji abari kwenda kushoma bunansi hamwe no buzarisa okurabira aha program ya full basare half basare hamwe na private sponsorship okwehandikisa kuriyo nukugenda omisho ahari Ibanda Institute of Health Sciences na offices zabo zona omwihanga tera note mushanju 30-55-38 ninga note mushanju note emwe 88-17-17
okuterera karura bebembezi bawe ahandi ngo zitari zimwe na zimwe n'obugabe bwawe oku nukuri kubasa kutera karuru kawe omu buryo bw'ekikire otaina kuona okubanza uzaha mwanya oguwayihandikise kutereramu akaruru wahikaha mwanya oheye ndangamuntu yawe ninga kakonji kawe ako kuhamya kuri umutezi w'akaruru aha bari kujunanizibwa ebyo bururu bacebera izina ryawe umurukarara ninga shirugesta ebero kuhamya ngo umutezi w'akaruru nibije kushijumwa abari kukozesa byoma bya karimagezi okucebera binkumu n'ameisho buri omwe natekwa kurabo mu ntebe kanseji kwenda ngugo wena oyikerezibwe kutera karuru yakatera akakonji kakaruru nakone keija kushijumwa kuhamya yaba kashikire ocho mo kutera karuru kawe bweshereke kandi orebe ngo bakutawa kamanyiso ko kuhamya kuwatera karuru okutera karuru no kutandika shahe mweza kasheshe kusitya shahe komizo mwabazyo ebero kukwataho na karuru kawe byona birinzirweje mbwenu iroko kateri akaruru kanje irakaryanje
abanyantungamo Rubare, Kamwezi, Rushoka, Muhanga, Itojo, Rwampara, Rukiga, Rwashamire, Miramahiri, Changara, Chamate, nebyanga byone bibetorwere. Pastor Robert Kayanja, owa Miracle Center Cathedral Rubaga, ariyo nejo mu crusade yenjiri omurintungamo okurugo rwa mukaga 2010 okusya Sunday 2011 ebyo ko kubanza 2026 aho ahari Rubare Playground okuruga shamushanje zihangwe okusya sha ibirize ciro kandi tugireho na Believers Fire Conference urwa mukaga 2010 ebyo ko kubanza 2026 ahari Rubare Market Grounds okuruga sha ibirize kasheshe okusya shamushanje zihangwe nahabweco mureta barwire empumi ebiteta embohe hamwe nabo bona abari kwitagurwa stani mukamanaiza kubakiza bona kandi ijuka ngo mukamayine cyo kutangaza cyawe ecyandikirweho izina ryawe
amanya sebujana sto okora muri musi ben musobozi okorera katikamu ogendo tukobole promotion yenu benagira ba nakandi ko kuroinga yaje chipwa musango jukira nemule yokuye limu try again laba bwenzi mule yokusatu ngeri mwaka chokolo ngeri mu drone kibira masuka jange boyo emodoka eriruwero
Temenyonta kakasa luvimbo.
Temenyonta and win. Buy and drink any 300 ml Mirinda, Pepsi, 7-Up, Mountain Dew or Evervest. Check under the ground and stand a chance to win from drones, Noah's, cash, border borders, flat screens and so much more. This promotion is valid for a limited time only. Terms and conditions apply.
Tayari westira karyeto tugumizamo tutangira omukahumurako kandi reka tuyongereyo kwisyaho ebirukufa omukaruru akariyo kija kuterwe sabiti erukwija abesimbere ahantebe zona bakino ubushoborozi bwo kusherura karuru kutandika shahimwe yakasheshe okikarisha ha 12 ezo mwabaziyo kandi bashime kula terengendro yakachiko k'ibyo bururu ahiba basindikire kasherura abarukuza omumyanya etari yemwenemwe omu constituency zabo aho mu rurembo rwambara twarebere oku abantu batanchire kushitama ombuchiko chiko nibashitama enjwandijo kwetorora bariyo nibasherura akaruru kandi abandi bakiriyo nibarabyamu ebyeshongoro hati okusherura akaruru mu ihanga kukagenda no kuhinda hinduka abantu abamwe nibagenda omeshona no kuba nibakasherura barukuruga omu bichweka ebindi ebyihanga eshahe jintu ija kuba ntugumizamu anko kunana kuraganise tutakagire mu kahumuro ngwa majingo machi tuje kuba tuzaho omurembo orwambara okubasa kureba oku akaruru kariyo nekatebekanisiwa eshayi tuje kuba tuwegeta ahamnyamakuru wetu Joshua na twijuka muri Mbarara City ya Rugamba na Evas Kafureka beire na IC who had been contesting Bwambara City MP seat kandi hati abase kuba akarura kana karugam abantu kabana babachine byinje barugamba ahana mnonga ahanshonga yakaruru kandi omajingo mache noja kuba noreba ha screen ya waho ntahindukaho antkoreka Joshua hamwe na nabayine obwe baruganiraho nakafureka ahanshonga izibya karuru akaha omurimbara netwenda kumaisangu na nebinde bicweka tufikayo kandi tukoreka ho ebir Kampala ebir Fort Portal ebir Jinja atkoreke birikabare kisoro itendero mitoma ishaka bushenyi kabwe nebicweke bindi na shemo kwentikayo okoreka oku enshonga za karuru ziri amajingo macho meshaho tuja kwegitwaho Joshua kandi base kuba natworeka Muchara Kafureka abiratwire na Isimba actually yes Evas Kafureka abire na isi nachira kwesimba ahantebe yobwa member wa parliament abwambara kandi hati res ninga akaruru akarugiremu konka nawe ayine byinji ebyo kutumanyisa tutyo tugumizemu obwe turukutwara ombintu byona ebyakaruru omuihango screen yawe noreba Joshua kandi ntwendango abase kutumanyisa no kutwanjuro waine ogwe Kafureka babase kutushoborera hanshonga ezibyo bururu turugumizamu Tayari West Joshua tushoborere birho
kanisa yo mutano twizera kimwe na Evas Kafureka ogwabera yesimbere ahantebe yo mucyara Bwambara City na twisha kubantu tuganiraho nawe ahashonga stars zimwe na zimwe hatuganire akaruru kambara na kareba sofa ko bwa president na nebe kurabamo atwiro mu politics owireburengwa konka naza kuba nachamusereza ntura gwa crossingire kandi yayegita kibina ecyarwansereza reka mbase kuba ni mwakira abase kugamba nitwe honorable twakwakira
yes we barumutebe kanisa we bare hosti amazina nabe nito Evas Kafureka biraye simbire omukaruru ka woman member of parliament Bwambara City dene chindi mbire ndi opposition kandi mbe ni commanding ekintu cyangu kuruga ha region village national aha level yo opposition mbe ni commanding na bana senior presidential envoy I mean special presidential envoy abwekibina kya FDC deno kwesimba kwena syemirundena ndukwesimba level ni yemwe eya woman member of parliament nangwana nakabashija akuba kweta kabashija constituency direct elected nakona honde simbereho omurundu gumwe ndesimbira arevuye ja constituency na
honorable watu kora kurungi deka tuze ahashonga zakaruru omuri Mbarakatani Kirombakazi bendera FD sogire kwire wahagera barwanyisereza chemerire kitasofa
nangwa tinyende kwire bendera nyenka na no wanyupu agire kwire
injiri ya NRM riyo nebataho mutwe ninga inekiruho kitakomanya
itwe tushitamiri atankanyowe nyowe ndiye kichunju nyowe nkana kozire meeting na yesire all candidates abo opposition akaruru kabakazi nabeta nabagira ngu tuyihe mu candidate ogo ombo opposition twagenda twena mbaza kututeganisa baru baturabo ngira tuyihe mu candidate ogo omwe aha atkuna bena heza kukora meeting ejo ngarika nshitamanyenga njantatishi opposition kandi very sure kaninchu manyangu warabirari opposition ukazo parliament toine buhereza hora bwihe kuburobinga kuburetera abantu bawe abo kwabo kwebembera kanoza kuba watomeza ekichweka cyona hati ngarikanye torukiko rundi bakandetse sabo ngarika mbeta bagenzi banje abo opposition mbajantre omuntu ekateka nahinduramo ntitwaza kunyampise kiniga twanyankaye omumpari ntatu kuturaze kugira ngo tutware kandete omwasingo wa NRM abantu ntuza kuba tutarabasiyo buhereza mbwena kwenda ngo abanyambarira tutabakwataranamu tugende n'ekibine kiryo mu bwebembezi turabye flag bearer wa NRM abase kushakira ki ari kurabiro mu the ruling party kuba hati yes
ibikubanyiza byona bije mu Rwanda mu kibi
aha kandi NRM nayo tukundera mutoki ndebe tarimbi nubakira abantu uko kugenda nko bakora ki rero waza nkaruho narebo mwine mpaka hata nawe kandi ndeba atari umuntu mbinyo niwe example y'infollowing aho mu region aho
na right honorable
yes na right honorable speaker tayebwa mwene ndeba bataru bantu babi barya abantu abo kuraka kwetegereza ekintu ekikuba kibarikiro mu opposition hato rukiko mwene eventually nduhindura mpindura ebiteso kandi abacyara kunaba besire nabwaruka nabahindura mu banyikirizamu so wanyupu yagire kure bendera twayetaho narebo charity kibajo twagitaho nabaru babira babe bamwesimbiro omu primaries honarebo bone na honarebo vansi twahikaba cyarabanga habo twahikaba nawagito kibajo ine bendera ya NRM twaba batanu hati yahindu gambira nani nyana raizinga karuru kambara site woman MP honarebo charity kibajo nutumubara mu bamemba ba parliament batanu
mukareta ubushagiki bwanyu bona abantu abaye bargenye
ubushagiki bwona yes hatumbwene ngabe ni mubara nkorya no opposite abwo kuba yabira shemeye kuba namwesimba nka independent nabwo akabira rubone bone ya murekuru
because nwe yabari ngo
yes vanisi nwe yes automatically vanisi na wondijo wakubena mwisha honka independent nwe ya nominatingiri abahagize ubona babari yabatuncumanisa abaye nare mbona yabatunga bino mu ngaro itanu yagita hwabi hati nitwa opposition twajangwa atukubasa kugerera Mbarara city tumakande erda heart of western Uganda noho president arukuruga fountain of honor twajangwa reka tuteshwaza tutehemura so twikirizana obururo bwo opposition bwona twabhoha Honorable Charity Kibajo ataho nani nyanarayizinga Jakaruru finally nobwo kuboine maniki tor kubasa kuboryo umwe ukasinga abantu batanu abo kuza kusinga tukujya ngo riyo noza kusinga nkabayayi ba samho yo muchaka abari yo nagera na hayana nabo nabakaza babembendo bwa memba bwa parliament ntebe iba hati nico nagera ngo narebe Kibajo arumu ba memba ba parliament batano kuba bamure kureti RC1 abamure kurire babembene ntebe niyemu dene chinde kitire candidate oria owakubenanda kumwepe mamu nahabe yakubuzabuza abantu hati kubashyikire yatamwenganda mwene kakozirege nshobe kuyagamba takaruru kazo mu nganda no mudini yakoresho be yakora kiripu yashohora hata abantu bona abakikura babaine n'abagurusi eminyeto vose abatine yo nano mbacyara abatine yo karuru ruita abwenji abatine yo karuro kubatararwane bugabe bw'abacyara taragarwane bugabe bw'eminyeto tarabarondire mirumo taragambire no kugamba the whole kisanye tayine kiyakozirike. And what are people interested in? Abantu nubenda services, abantu nubenda kubagambira, abantu nandaya inenke mushango gweho kwe gukumutegana sa gwamake nshonga z'amataka oya piaringo koreki. Omurwanirireho kandi orugurwaniro romburinga zo mushija bamuterekera katerwa mukazo targaho kandi pano mushija niyo inamano otoniwo tira aruho bakutera hato muntu abanana ngo tagwera side ebyo ruita takozireki tabikozira ati no kugira ngo abayinoto abakikuru n'abagurusi hata abo nabo kagizire ngo bazomungana ne dini hatu banyiga nabo bamurga nyohi no mukikuru wumbugine no mugurusi agizira ati nyonka reba ho rutaro rwanshanju na mwenda nyonshanju na mwenda nkanda kazirwe atumwe nogo mukazi nakarura kunani nyenda ngo umuhakace ngo akunanyenda singwe nako atkuyatamwe byo kugira ngo enganda ne dini atunyoti nyine gareba genocide obururu bwenganda bukamaraho ihanga rya Rwanda obururu bwenganda bwamaraho Sudani obururu bwenganda rwamaraho Kongo so nabaguru sat kubahure ngo ya leta mu tribalism nengana nabo bamurwa hingambira rwite shayeje ahabwezo mistakes nkishatu obutakorera abantu enganda edin katire mwebyo hata na zuro hata ahingamba ryo muri 10% tindu kuvia that is the analysis on the ground.
All right, yabare mnonga Honorable Evans Kafureka tujja kubantu kweyongera ibyo gamba wene binji tujja kubantu kutayise mu program zizi byo butegeki tongere okutera tocho mushonga nkezo mureke tusiyamche
Nibyebyo webare mutayi wetu Joshua kutushyaho mcharo gwe Kafureka Evans omwabatwire nibesimbaho aho mu Rurembo rwambara kandi arukushobora nshonga za karuru okukariyo nkatebekanusubwa nanoku abandi baketegurire na mnonga abatwire nibesimbaho n'abatakesimbaga konka abari omukwetebekanuso kuza katera Omeshaho eshayona tujja kubantu kutwaro wa President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ariyo mu district ya Kore na sherura obushagiki kandi tutarukushisha dakika yindi yona reka tukutwareyo nitujja kubantu gumizamo no kumanyisa ebindi otaruga Hatayari West.
Excellency, allow me call SG, who is represented by none than Honorable Dr. Rosemary, Director Mobilization NRM. Rosemary, please come and take over.
Our beloved President of the Republic of Uganda and also our flag bearer for presidency, you are most welcome to Kole. Kole oye! President Museveni oye! The people of Kole have